This 2019 Winnebago Aspect M-30J is a Class C RV. It is located in Hot Springs, Arkansas, 71901 and is offered for sale by Quality Wheelz. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 29 feet 5 inches in length and features leveling jacks, water heater, awning, DVD player, refrigerator, microwave, slide-out, TV antenna, stovetop burner, auxiliary battery. The floor plan layout of this Class C features couples coach, front living area, mid-kitchen. This 2019 Winnebago Aspect M-30J is built on a E450 chassis and is powered by a Ford Triton engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.